I hear ticking. Alright, so let's press the button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Oh, finally the music stopped. Let's do it now. Let's listen. Now, let's go. And now, there goes Waltz of the Flowers. Oh, I hear Waltz of the Flowers on the clock. So let's see. And now, and there goes this clock. Now, so it's as is your. So this song is not a Christmas song. So let's push button. Let's listen it. Oh, let's push button. Oh, I see. I hear ticking again. Let's do Salut. Oh, it's just a Valentine's Day song. So it's associated with summer. And now, alright, let's change this song and two song. Let's go. Oh, it's dark. So there goes Dance of the Red Pipes. And there is no more pictures of the next recent Promenade song. So let's try to press the button. Oh, and there goes Amazing Grace on the clock. So let's see, listen to the sound effect, the Seiko clock. Oh, I hear the opening attention chime. Okay, then bye.